Dedicated to the niggas that was down from day one. Welcome to Death Row.
So the only issue I'm having is that this is a little bit thicker than what I thought it was. This one is. So I'm probably gonna have to come through here with the drill bit to get these spot welds in that go along here. That go along here. So yeah, it's probably gonna have to be, I'm gonna have to drill these. So that didn't work, but it did punch the one up here through. So yeah, so we are treading in the right direction. Going to add a couple more, because looking how it was done from the factory, it looked like there's a couple more spot welds in there. So we'll add a couple more. So should be good there. Just still salty about this, because I would have to, I gotta get a drill bit. It looked like, gotta get a drill bit. I gotta get a drill bit, go through here, 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 here. Look like here, 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 about here, here, and here. So you gotta do that with a drill bit, because that isn't big enough to get through this. So yeah. Then I might also have to come through with a drill bit like up in here somewhere. Like up in here. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a wrap on this. It was thick enough. It was thick enough to get this one for me. I got that one. But yeah, couldn't get the other one though, or couldn't get those, or at least up here. So just gonna drill it out. Well, fucked up right here. I shouldn't have drilled all the way through, but I didn't drill it through on the A pillar, so I should be good there. But so it'll come through this way versus going through that way. And then I'm gonna put a hole in the middle of this right here. So got all my holes drilled out for this. So now it's just gonna be getting up with Dave to get this spot welded back in here, and then this spot weld right here is already drilled out from it. Sitting right here, so yeah. But I got my shit marked off. Then I put it back, make sure it measures up how I had it measured. So got, let's see. I think I should be cool right here, but here. I'm gonna put one more right here. But I ain't gonna lie to you, when I did this, I was like,
Oh, shit!
whew, oh well. I have gotten asked by a few people on Facebook, not Facebook. I don't even really use Facebook other than for Marketplace for real. But I have got asked by a couple people and I just welded it myself and
I just can't do it. That's really the bottom line. I can't do it.
I don't know how to weld, so yeah. But I'm starting to get a little happy about this. So yep, let me go ahead and put this shit back together. Let me drill this last one. But I think I might wait so I can put like a little seal, a panel bond in between or whatever, at least up there for show. So might wait a second, go grab me some panel bond. Cause yeah, I don't remember if there was any in here. I know there was, I think there's some like right here, a little tip right here. But I definitely want to get it for up top. Well, came out here, opened these up a little bit, talked to a few people. OG, Ronnie told me to open it up to like 5/16, so I opened up all these to 5/16, even the one I messed up on. So, but tomorrow, hopefully this all gets welded in. Today is Saturday. Right now it's Saturday morning, so hopefully come with an update. And when I say Saturday, it is, let me see, it's Saturday, May 3rd. So hopefully on the 4th, it's done. So we'll see what happens. So now I'm gonna prep up this piece, like over here in the area that goes right here, knock that down on there so it can get welded to. Let me see. And then I think I gotta put some paint and stuff, like some weld through primer at the top. So, but cleaning this up, about to spray some more weld through primer on here. So yeah.
24 hours later.
Well, had a hater tell me, it ain't gonna line back up. It's not braced enough. It's not braced enough. I mean, I gotta adjust it, so looks like it's back on there to me. Now, only thing I gotta do, I gotta bust this door panel off so I can put that glass in there, which I ain't never done that before, but I'm gonna have to look all that up and see how all that goes. But you can see the broken glass right there. But what old boy say?
Ushers, close the doors. Close the doors. Close the doors.
Close the doors. Close the doors.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.